What's up with that? Alright, here they come again. Tristan's holding Gavin. There's Lance. They're having a blast. They're so cute. Aren't they cute?
Yeah.
You want to ride? Sure? Did Jeremy get his four-wheeler fixed?
Nope. He's sick.
Is he?
Yeah.
What has he got?
I don't know. He's just now woke up.
Huh.
He slept in my bed.
I can't tell who that is. Do you know who that is? Say, hey, who are you? Oh, they